SAP Community Voice, April 9th, 2026.
Hey everybody, and welcome back to the SAP Community Voice. April is just getting started with tons of excitement and lots of good reasons to appreciate our SAP community. From practical ways to bring AI directly into SAP UI5 and automate deployments in SAP Integration Suite, to best practices in SAP Datasphere and the latest updates from SAP experts and mentors. There's a lot to explore in today's episode. Beyond the technical side, we also have announcements of our SAP community. There's some new features that have just been launched on the platform this month. And spoiler alert, most of the enhancements are from our members' feedback, so I think that you'll enjoy knowing more about them. Need tips on building your SAP Sapphire agenda or just recommendations for local SAP community meetups? We've also got you covered. Stay with us because today's edition is just getting started. Let's start with featured blog posts, and as always, the links are in the description here below. SAP mentor Wouter Lemar shares a very interesting approach in his latest blog post exploring how AI can be embedded directly into UI5 controls through a reusable library. Instead of focusing on complex AI agents, he brings AI closer to where users interact daily, enabling simple tasks like text improvement, translation, or spell checking directly inside of UI5 apps, using standard data binding without requiring developers to manage AI infrastructure. The post walks through the available controls, architecture, and design decisions, showing how this lightweight and practical approach can make AI integration more accessible and effective for everyday SAP use cases. SAP product and topic expert Florian Vogt introduces the new UI5 plugins for Claude, bringing AI-powered development directly into SAP UI5 and OpenUI5 workflows. Designed to enhance developer productivity, these open-source plugins enable Claude Code to understand UI5's specific patterns, APIs, and best practices, providing more accurate and context-aware assistance without relying on generic AI knowledge. The initial release includes a plugin for general UI5 development support and another focused on TypeScript migration, helping developers create projects, fix errors, and modernize applications with confidence. If you're using UI5 and exploring AI-assisted development, this is definitely one to check out. In this practical blog post, SAP community member Marian Vadafu shares how to automate deployments in SAP Integration Suite using Ansible, reducing manual effort and minimizing human errors across environments. By defining deployment steps once in a YAML instruction file, developers can automatically handle tasks like credential creation, certificate management, artifact deployment, configuration updates across dev to prod. The solution integrates tools like ServiceNow, GitHub, and Jenkins to ensure full traceability, auditability, and secure handling of sensitive data through Ansible Vault. With this approach, teams can streamline operations, improve consistency, and confidently manage complex integration landscapes with significantly less manual work. Easy for me to say. In this comprehensive blog post, SAP product and topic expert Jeet Kapesi shares best practices for implementing ETL processes in SAP Datasphere, helping data engineers choose the right approach based on performance, scalability, and business needs. The post breaks down the available features such as replication flow, transformation flow, data flow, and OpenSQL procedures, and explains when to use each one, highlighting SAP's recommendation to prioritize replication and transformation flows for most scenarios. With clear comparisons, real performance insights, and practical guidance, this is a valuable read for anyone looking to design efficient, future-ready data pipelines in SAP Datasphere. Let's move on to SAP Community News. April started with great news for our SAP community users, as we have just launched new enhancements to make the experience navigation better. Dark Mode. We are excited to announce that Dark Mode is now live as the beta phase is complete. Last year, after listening to your feedback, we launched Dark Mode in beta, giving you the chance to choose your preferred visual experience. Since then, you have shared suggestions on how to make this feature more polished and seamless. With that in mind, we are happy to introduce the following improvements: a light/dark mode toggle. A new toggle replaces the temporary text-based switch, making it easier to switch between themes for a more personalized browsing experience. Dark mode improvements for DSA reporting form. The Report Inappropriate Content form has been updated to ensure all table content is visible and readable in dark mode. Previously unreadable white-on-white elements now follow the correct dark theme styling. Improved recent activity filters. Now the recent activity feed filters on the community landing page, most viewed, most commented, most liked, they show the results from the last 30 days, making the content discovery more relevant when you filter. For most commented, for example, it only shows the last most comments in 30 days. This makes it nicer and easier to find relevant content. Removal of user online homepage stats. The online members statistic has been removed from the homepage to simplify the layout and reduce noise, helping users focus on key community content. Time to talk about our SAP Community events. Are you planning to attend SAP Sapphire 2026? This huge event is where SAP makes big announcements about its vision for the future of ERP and business applications. This includes showing new products, presenting customers who have transformed their business using SAP solutions, and highlighting new technologies that will shape the future. With so many great speakers and topics, choosing the sessions it can be overwhelming as you're attending, and there's so much you want to see. So to help you, SAP product and topic expert Peter Spielvogel published a blog post with his AI and UX sessions agenda selections. We highly recommend checking out that because he shared a very diverse agenda with an amazing selection of speakers. And I know lots of other people share their agendas as well, so it's a great place to kickstart building your own agenda. Talking about planning, have you selected any community-driven events to attend this month? Any meetups with your local SAP community group? In case you have not, we've got you covered. As you can see in the image next to me, there's a list of so many events that are already available on our events page for you to sign up for. There are opportunities from all over the world: Madrid, Freiburg, Yerevan, Wrocław, Vienna, and Brazil. I'm going to Brazil this week, and I'll be down there for 10 days, I think, with tons of events happening. Tom and Rich and several others are already there. So I'll be down there to meet you in Curitiba, São Leopoldo, and I am so excited to meet so many of you in person, and I hope to have a great time connecting at the SAP CoJam Brazil Roadshow. See you there. Please make sure to leave your comments if you plan to attend any of our sessions. I would love to know more about that, especially if you're local and I get to meet you in person. That is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, follow all the social media stuff that is SAP Community. And for more updates, stories, and learning opportunities, we'll let you know as soon as we publish them.